This is the Weather Extreme video, the morning edition for Thursday, August 28th. I'm James Spann. Looks like most of the state will stay dry through tomorrow. Over the weekend, some rain at times, but no washout. And tropics still pretty active. Let's go in there and take a look. This is the big picture this morning, the water vapor satellite view. Still got dry air and ridging here across the deep south. Nice trough coming across the Rockies. That'll be emerging into the plain states today. Hey, feels pretty good early this morning. At daybreak, as cool as 62 at Coleman. And we'll be up in the low and mid-90s today, but the dew points are low and the humidity will stay low. So it's a comfortable low to mid-90s. Relatively quiet around the nation this morning. Some flash flood watches for the Great Plains. No organized severe weather expected today. And again, I think most of the state will be dry. There could be some storms north of us in Tennessee. Here's the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. The heavier totals on the western side of the state, maybe 1 inch there. And again, we stress in summer, rain distribution is always uneven, as we all know. Tropics, we've got a little wave coming into the Caribbean with no organization. Little wave approaching South Padre Island over the western Gulf. And Cristobal, the hurricane, that is well off the coast of the United States. It's now well north of Bermuda, and it's on the way to Iceland early next week. And, that'll be becoming a North Atlantic cold core storm in coming days. No threat to land. Thought we'd check that little Gulf swirl. You can see convection that is east of Brownsville, Texas. They need that rain down there across the valley and the Rio Grande Valley, and they'll probably get some as that drifts into the southern tip of Texas over the next 24 hours. And obviously, that's no problem here. All right, model fans, let's take a look at the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. This is at 500 millibars. You can see the trough coming into the plain states, denting down the heat. But again, for us, we're still in dry air. Lots of sun, low 90s for most spots, maybe mid-90s, but the dew points will be down in the 50s. So for that type of heat, it will feel relatively comfortable. Tomorrow, the models still look dry. We might consider a slight risk of an afternoon shower, but the better chance of seeing one will likely be over the southern half of the state. And again, low to mid-90s tomorrow. Okay, this is Saturday as the weekend begins, and that upper trough kind of dents down the heat bubble, and we see an increase in moisture, and this is suggesting a chance of showers and storms. No, it's not going to rain all day, but it could rain at times. And we stress the NAM is noticeably drier. This is Saturday evening at 7 o'clock local time, and it's basically dry. The truth is probably somewhere in between. So again, we'll mention the chance of a few passing showers or storms. If you're going to a football game Saturday, Auburn, UAB plays at home, just take the rain gear in case a shower comes. And hopefully it won't, but it could. I'd say the high Saturday will be in the upper 80s, and the high depends on, obviously, the amount of sun we get. This is Sunday, and again, the chance of scattered showers and storms, but certainly not an all-day type of rain, and the sun will be out at times. Monday, Labor Day. Still got the 591 heat here. That upper ridge really doesn't want to go away. It's beat down a little bit, and it comes back, and this is suggesting that showers still possible on Labor Day, especially over the eastern half of the state. This is Tuesday. Widely scattered showers, low 90s. Here's Wednesday. That looks relatively dry. And this is Thursday, a week from today. Looks fairly dry as the ridge begins to rebuild, and heat levels will still be up there. Low, maybe mid-90s, middle part of next week, even though it's early September. Keep in mind, the hottest temperature on record in this state came on September 5th, 1925. It was 112 degrees in Centerville on that day. So, yeah, it can be hot in September. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is the 12th. Still got above average heights on this look over the east, and that would suggest still kind of a summery pattern with a risk of a few scattered storms. Temperatures off the ensembles. You can see how it creeps up toward the mid-90s next week. Then it comes back down toward the upper 80s by the middle part of the month. No sign of any really good, refreshing fall cold front. That typically happens much later in the month. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.